Hello everyone! Today, we will be discussing how to use corner treatments in the wizard process for 4x profiles. Let's begin by selecting the profile. For the center, you will notice there are 4x taper counters. We will proceed with the wizard process by choosing the Cut P Pro machine with feature recognition. In this case, we are programming for a 4x part where a contour is required. So I am selecting the 4x constant taper and 4x profile. Once this is confirmed, we can generate the contours related to the 4x profiles. After the contours are generated, two profiles will appear, one for the complete 4x taper and another for the construct taper. Let's focus on the complete profiles and move forward. Now, we will select one cut, then we will move for the corner treatments and apply one cut. In the corner treatment, choose the required profile for the corners. For this example, we will select a width and length of 1.2 millimeters. Once the values are set, confirm the wizard process and calculate. For the complete 4x profile, a relief will be created on the corner sides. You can now see that the corners for the 4x profile have been generated. Lastly, we will demonstrate how this appears in the simulation process. We will run the stock simulation, and this is the first cut with the corner treatment. As you can see, the first pass has been completed successfully. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates.